Uncle Willie, what are you doing up under there?
What'd you say?
What are you doing up under there?
Wait a minute, baby. Wait a minute. Willie can't hear you. Wait. God damn it. What you mean what I'm doing under there? You said you wanted oil change.
Not like that. It's about a sexual oil change.
Oh, you talking about you want to get the lube job.
Right.
Wait a minute. Wait. I really got to think for a minute. Really got to think for a minute. Wait a minute, that boy. Wait a minute, that boy. I know I have him. God damn it. Wait a minute. Willie coming. Willie coming. I know the hash and letter over there somewhere. Let's check it out. Oh, here we go. You know, Willie smoke a little reefer every now and then. So wait a minute. You trying to tell me that you wanted some sexual work done?
Yes.
Well, I thought you said you needed oil change, so I could have went and got my tools and came trying to give you oil change.
No, Uncle Willie.
That's not the kind of oil change you wanted.
No, Uncle Willie.
You wanted a lube job.
Yes.
All right, now you better be careful with old Uncle Willie, cause goddamn it, let me show you something. You'll be looking for Willie in the daytime with a flashlight. You don't know what you messing with, girl. You done got old Willie nervous, goddamn it. Wait a minute, you done got Willie nervous. Goddamn it. I ain't scared of no pussy or nothing. I ain't saying I'm scared of them. It just, Willie don't usually get caught off guard like that. Usually they call me. They usually call me when they want something done. God damn it, you got me shaking like that or not? Now when I told that boy the other day to take that razor back off of there, he came down with a tow truck and they towed it up. Am I gonna have to get a tow truck for you too, young lady?
No, Uncle Willie.
All right, cause you know when Willie gets stroking, boy. You ain't never seen Willie get down, have you?
Nope.
Yeah, Willie can throw that leg up and get it. Willie get it, baby. Willie get it. I'm telling you, Willie could get it. But I'm gonna hook. Wait a minute, baby. Hold up, quick. Wait a minute. Hello? What? No, hey, don't do that to that, baby. No, no. What did you do? You got a fever blister? That boy's 16. Take some of it, go in there and have your other baby pee in a diaper, and you take the diaper and you rub it across his mouth with a fever blister at. Yeah, that'll take care of that. That'll take care of it. Yeah, well, I'm finna do a lube job, so I'm gonna have to get back with you, okay? No, Willie's finna be busy from 6:45 to 7 o'clock. No, cause it's gonna take me 10 minutes to get out of these clothes, and then I 5 minutes, and boy, that's all she needs. The job don't take long. She called Willie. When she called Willie to do the job, I get the job done right. No. She wanted me. What she wanted is, I thought she wanted me to fix the truck, but Willie got it.